Welcome. In this quick and easy tutorial, I'll be showing you how to turn on professional mode on Facebook. Find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, gotta tap on your profile right here. Now tap on three dots at the top and make sure that you unlock your profile. Okay, make sure that you have an unlocked profile. And once that's done, you will be able to see turn on professional mode right here. So just basically turn it on right here. Follow simple prompts, okay? Just like so. Make sure that you select public right here, hit on next, confirm, select the category. I'm just gonna leave it to a digital creator right here. Yours may be different, it might be on the tech niche or whatever. Just tap on next and go to your dashboard, just like so. And after that, tap on get started and you're good to go, all right? You'll be able to check your profile right here. Just got to go back. Now you'll have a professional dashboard. And that's basically it. That's how simple it is to turn on professional mode on Facebook. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.